Hi Elena, my name is Sandeep Singh and my student ID is DY31235. We are 5 members in our group and our group is M1.
Hi, my name is Ujjwal Deep Kaplish. My student ID is NPI 3146.
Hi, my name is Navaldeep Singh and my student ID is PFEC3147. I am in the same group.
Hi Alina, my name is Kush Mahajan and my student ID is EKM3050 and I am in the M1 group. Next is my friend.
Hi, my name is Chimkaur Singh Pawar. My student ID is EAB3031 and I'm in group M1.
Hello, I'm going to start the case 2 that is about ACC, ACCC versus Coles Supermarket Australia Private Limited. I'm going to discuss about the Coles started their promotion as like they are baked today about the bread are baked today and sold today. In some stores they started promotions with freshly baked in stores, and as in fact they are not freshly made, they are partially baked and frozen off by suppliers, and they are after that they transport and finished inside the stores or Coles bakeries. It was promoted in 637 Coles stores and they earned like significant revenue from that. So the after that the Australian Competition and Consumer Commission, the ACCC, found that they are misleading the consumer and they are damaging the competition with the competitors, and the evidence before court showed that the Coles had engaged in the campaign. It is clear purpose of improving market share, to improve their market share, to manage or to about mislead or deceive, which likely to be breach the Australian consumer law.
Now I'm gonna discuss the breach of Act of Case 2. So according to this case, the Coles supermarket bakery was selling their breads to their customer by putting the false advertisement that the bread they are selling their customers were freshly baked in the bakery, but actually the bread they are selling was not fresh and partially fresh and frozen and supplied by the supplier. So Australian Competition and Consumer Commission found that they were breaching the Act 2010, and they also breached the Act 29(1)(a) and 33.
So we are discussing about the second case in which discussion part is between the Coles and the ACCC. The discussion part is the prevention is one of the essential element for the financial punishment. For this situation, the requirement for the particular prevention was considered by the court to be an imperative component in deciding the fitting punishment. What kind of punishment should be fit in this case? The court acknowledged that the ACCC, that is Australian Competition and Consumer Commission, entries that the Coles repudiating conduct proceed in the structure until the court have verified that they are doing the deluding the things and having the tricky behavior. Otherwise they're gonna not be having any law on that. The court considered in the way that the things are already consented with the directive controlling of the publishing over 3-year time frame. Be that part of the court held at the attention did not address the regardless of whether the Coles should be hindered for the future competitive levels, or Coles had been seen the mistake of what the ways are and unrealistic occupied with the competitive light of more once more. This choice is imperative. The case highlights the danger that the sponsor faces with the battle all, that is the sail near the wind. In the perspective, the reputation was a long way off from obvious. Even in the ACC, its standard aimed entries that the competing of the bread in the store is like preparing, and was having the no proof that the standard breads are heated over there and the secondary compared breads are starting with the no outside help. It exhibits that even there is no proof that the purchases have ended misfortune and harm, but the court may in any case think that it is fitting to request the high punishment. So for the situation, the court considered that the way that the behavior continued for such a drawn out the stretch in time, and that Brett promoted utilization is disruptive expression, harvesting critical income by the coals, which is not a good thing for that, and was a significant to its determination that the inconvenience for the high punishment for them. Thank you.